everyone, Mark here with American Key Supply. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the S1 jaw on the Triton key cutting machine and the shoulder stop. Yes, that's what it is your shoulder stop in your kit. So we're on the D side. We're going to line up our Mitsubishi key where it stops. All right, we are going to be using the selection of cars. We are going to find Mitsubishi. We're going to use an Outlander Sport. And we are going to be using it by code. And you would select the code if you have the code. We're going to use 32009. Click search offline. There's your bidding. We're going to click on the bidding. And we are going to hit the cut button. And we are going to gauge our bit. Our mill cutter is a 2.0, which it is. We're going to, for safety, we're going to close the shield, and we are going to cut the key. Clean it off. While we're in here, I'm going to show a couple other things you may or may not know. You got a couple storage compartments here. It actually holds your shoulder stopper, your calibrating tool, and your mill cutters and your probes. And key's nice and cut.